something that is completely new. Not gonna lie, didn't know this was even a thing. The Walmart Beauty Box. That is what we are going to be unboxing today. Now, I've warned y'all back to back to back. I have hit you guys with our Ipsy Extra, our Ipsy Gone Like a Fart in the Wind. Oh my god, my brain, I keep saying it. My brain is so tired because my kitty cat loves to wake me up. So it is like having a newborn. Although I wouldn't know what that was like because my children, all three, slept through the night when they were newborns. I don't want to be almost 50 years old dealing with this, but you know what? It's fine. I love my kitty cats so much. They're sleeping so well right now, and part of me wants to go and start singing to him and bringing him toys like he does me, but it's fine. I'm rather spicy today. My period's about to start. So anyways, Walmart Beauty Box. This was actually sent to me to unbox and review for you all. I did a little digging, and it looks like this box is a quarterly style box coming in at about $9. I do have a link that they did give me. I don't make a dime off of it. If you want to go ahead and sign up for this, you may be able to get this. I believe this is the April box, but it probably runs very similar to like Ipsy. I call it the Icon. I know it's not called that, but I don't have it near me to check it. Or like FabFitFun quarterly type of subscription, and it's only $9. So I'm like, what is in it for $9? So let's take a gander together. All right, so we have the La Roche-Posay on here, and it's a purifying. Okay, well that's new at Walmart. All right, and then we've got the Spring Beauty Bloom. Hashtag Walmart Beauty. Okay. Oh, and you can shop full sizes. So I guess this is going to be more of like a sample size dealio, which in all honesty, that's a better deal than, like, remember back in the day, the Sephora bag? What was that called? Sephora Glam bag? The Ipsy Glam bag? I'm getting them confused. Ipsy Glam bag. And then the Sephora Play bag. There you go, girl. Oh, sample. Okay, so the first thing is the Scalp Care Shampoo and Conditioner by Soothe. Has tea tree oil and rosemary. These are good, I guess, if you're traveling or camping or something. Next in here, okay, now this is a full size. The Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel by Good Molecules. Okay, that's pretty cool. Not gonna complain about that. What is this, about $13 on its own? You know, here's the thing. I remember getting this, and everybody was acting like it was life-changing. I personally never felt like it was life-changing. Like, did it, you know, reduce signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of fine lines? It did not for me. Maybe I didn't use it long enough. I don't know. Next in here, we have the Origin Himalayan Jasmine. Oh, it's like a little sample. This is so giving me like Sephora Play vibes. Or Ipsy Glam bag. Okay. Oh, here is the La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser and like a little travel size. Okay, I like that. I like this kind of size. You guys know that because travel, Haley and I always talk about we love these sizes for travel. We also have the Gold Bond Age Renewal Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion. Okay, I have been hearing so much of how beneficial it is to use retinol body lotion all over my body. Who does that? Y'all do that? I think I need to start doing that. I'm almost 50, so like I really need to do that. All right, and then we have, what is this? Oh, they've got the little, is that a brush? A Detangler teaser? Detangler hair, oh my god, that, it's all over the place. Detangler hairbrush. Okay, feels soft. I have like the most tender head ever. So I'm insanely funny about my brush. Right now I use the unbrush and I'm obsessed with it. I don't know if I'll mess with this. We'll see. But it's pretty cool. Shut up. Okay, these are top tier. The Guru Nana teeth whitening strips, you guys, if you are wanting good teeth whitening that works, hands down, Goo or not. And this is this is their 7-day supply. This alone is $10. $10 for this. So, okay. I think this is a pretty decent box, y'all. I mean, like I said, this alone is hands down totally, completely, 100% worth it. I feel like I've literally been missing out on this. Did y'all know about this? Why did no one tell me about the Walmart beauty box? So do we always get like some full-size products in here? Because like I said, this alone is definitely like what, triple? I don't know how much this is, but if you had to guess, what would you say? Like $5-6 for the brush? I know that's like $9.99 because I buy these. And then I want to say this is like $13. So all in all, I definitely feel like this box is so flippin' worth it for $8.98. Now I'm starting to second guess if I read it wrong. Okay, if you guys are getting the Walmart beauty box, this is a really good deal. If you're on the fence with it, this is my first impression of this box. And like I said, these 3 products alone are a yes. And I want to say there's a girl I see on TikTok that talks about Gold Bond lotion. I don't know if it's the age renewal one. But it's something I think worth looking into. I need to like check the ingredients a little bit more. But I'm very impressed with this. Low-key a little shocked because like I said, for the price of the box is cheaper than the 7-day supply of teeth whitening strips that legitimately work. So, okay. This is cool. If you guys were on the fence, like I said, I would do it. I will have a link down below. Like I said, it doesn't get me anything. Just more or less lets them know that I sent you over there. What I am going to do is pop up individual, like from Walmart. You can shop these products from Walmart, the full size and everything if you want. I'm pretty excited. I think I've been very mouthy for the past few videos, and now I'm like, dang, Walmart, you shushed me up. So okay. Anyways, so we get 6 products in total. Oh, shut up. Okay, so this says full size. Now it does say on here it's $5.97, $11.94 for a fluid ounce. I don't know. The brush is actually coming in at $12.97, and the teeth whitening strips are $10.47. Now the full size of this, full size is coming in at $11.97. Okay, wait. If this is literally only $5.97, that boggles my brain because I literally thought it was so much more. The full size of this is coming in at $19.97, and you got $6.05 worth, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how all of that works, but either way, this is definitely giving Ipsy Glam Bag a run for the money. Woo! Okay, I am hopping off. I'm going to go ahead and link this for you guys. Like I said, there's going to be a link that's like beautybox.walmart.com/hotmess or something. And like I said, all of that is going to do is let them know that I'm sending you over to pick up a box. But I think I might sign up myself. Anyways, I'm hopping off for now. I hope you guys have a wonderful morning, night, day, whatever it may be. I should probably take a nap, but I gotta edit and I have study group here soon. So. Alright guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Till next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Stay warm because Kentucky got cold again.
Keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too.